in class 7th, we are reading the first chapter of your English language book, that is sentences. Yes or no? So we have read about the different kind of sentences in our previous lecture. So today we will start the new topic, that is object and complement. Object and complement. What is the difference between an object and what is the difference between a complement? How objects are different from complements? First of all, object and complement are the part of the predicate. They are the part of the predicate. Okay. Objects are of two types: direct object and the indirect object. Direct object and the indirect object. Object means when a person or a thing that is influenced by the action. When a person or a thing affected by the action. Affected by the action means they are affected by the action. For example is like this. Rohan gave his pen to Sia. Rohan gave his pen to Sia. So Rohan is a subject over here. Gave is a verb over here. Pen is a direct object because we are passing the pen. Pen is a direct object. And Sia is the indirect object because Sia is affected by the action and pen is also affected by the action. Okay. Now next sentence is Tom bakes cookies. Tom bakes cookies. So Tom is a subject over here. Bake is a verb over here. Cookie is a direct object and cookies are affected by baking process. Cookie is affected by baking. So cookie is the direct object. And what is a complement? A complement can be a noun also or adjective also. Noun means it is replacing the name. We are using another name for the noun. Replacing the name of noun. And adjective are the words that tell more about the noun. So complement can be a noun also and an adjective also. How complement can be a noun? I will tell you. See, look here everyone. How complement can be a noun? For example, Mr. Sharma is a doctor. Mr. Sharma is a doctor. Now come to class first. What we have read. Every person is a noun. Noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. So Mrs. Sharma is also a noun. Doctor is also a noun. Yes or no? Both Mr. Sharma and doctor is a noun. Yes or no? Both are noun. Mr. Sharma is also a noun and doctor is also a noun. But we are using the word doctor in the place of Mr. Sharma. We are using the word doctor in the place of Mr. Sharma. Replacing the name of noun. We are not writing Mr. Sharma over here. We are writing doctor and doctor is also a noun. Doctor is also a noun. Yes or no? Now, Ashok is a boy. Ashok is a boy. Now, boy and Ashok both are noun. Yes or no? And we are replacing the name. We are replacing the name Ashok. We are replacing the name of Ashok by boy. So it is followed by linking verb. Complement followed by linking verbs. Linking verbs are is, are, am, was, were. These are the linking verbs. And complement are followed by linking verb. They are not affected by the verb. They are not affected by the verb, but object affected by the verb. So this is the chart. Kindly go through this and just read the definition which is given on page number 6 and page number 7. So here we have used that it is a place where it is used as noun. But what about the adjective? For example, the adjective. She looks sad. She looks sad. So she is a subject over here. Look is a verb over here. And sad is the adjective. So it is not affected by the subject. We are only saying a statement, and sad is here a complement. It is not affected. Sad is not affected by look. Okay, the look is another word and sad is another word. Sad is adjective over here and look is a verb over here. So complement can be used as a noun also and as an adjective also. An object that are influenced or affected by the verb. Influenced or affected by the verb. For example, Riya hit me. Riya hit me. Riya hit me. So Riya is a subject over here. Hit is a verb and me is a direct object, indirect object. Me is the indirect object. Okay, just go through this and read the definition which is given on page number 6 and 7. Read that. After that we will do the exercises. Exercise 6, 7, 8 and 9. First of all, read the definition which is given on page number 6 and 7. So, in exercise 6, you have to circle the object. You have to circle the object and you have to underline the complement in each of the following sentences. Shakil had a parrot. Shakil is a subject over here. Had is a verb over here. Parrot is the object. Parrot is the object. So, parrot is the object over there. Now, the second one, the gardener brought flowers. So, the action was affected by the flowers. Brought flowers. So, it was flowers were influenced by the verb. Flowers are the object. Flowers are the object. My best friend is Anil. So, best friend and Anil both are the same person. My best friend is Anil. Both are the same person, and you can see that there is there and Anil is followed by is. It is a complement. Ashok was a kind king. Ashok was a kind king. King is a complement because we are using this king for Ashok only. He looked at the rainbow. Looked means देखना. Looked at the rainbow means rainbow is affected by the action. So rainbow is the object over here. Rainbow is the object over here. Shanti will solve this sum. So solve is a verb over there and this sum is the object. This sum is the object. The policeman took the thief. So thief is the object and verb is took. Thief is the object and the verb is took. My mother gave me a few biscuits and toffees. So toffees and biscuits are affected by the verb. So toffee and biscuits are the object. Ninth one. Our school has 15 classrooms. Our school has 15 classrooms. So they both are same. In school there are the classrooms. So classrooms are the complement. Classrooms are the complement. He became the minister. Subject is he and we are using minister for he only. So minister is a complement over here. Anita has broke the glass. So glass is affected by the action. The glass is affected by the action. So glass is object over here. Dog. The naughty boy kicked the dog. The naughty boy kick is the action and dog is affected by that kick. So dog is the object over here. Okay. She was a fond and loving mother. So mother is a complement over here. Mother is a complement over here. Now next one. He painted the house pink. He painted the house pink. So painted. The house was affected by paint. So house is the object over here. 15th one. The child appeared sad. The child was sad. Sad is the adjective. Adjective is a complement. So check the answer from the blackboard. If you have not done, kindly note down all the answers from the blackboard in your book. So now we will do the exercise 7, which is given on page number 7. Okay. So exercise 7 given on page number 7. Complete the following sentences by providing suitable complements. Object also indicate whether the words filled by you are the complements or object. So first of all, fill this exercise by your own. After that, we will discuss that. You can write your own words as object or as a complement. You can use your own words as an object and a complement. First of all, do that. Then we will discuss the exercise. Okay? Do that right now. So exercise 7, that we have to fill the object and the complement according to our choice. We can fill the object and the complement according to our choice. But after filling that, you have to tell whether it is an object or whether it is a complement. Object is affected by the verb, but complement is used in the place of noun or it is an adjective. So the first one is he speaks the truth. I have written the truth over there, and the truth is the object. The elephant are huge animals. Elephant and animals. We are using huge animals for elephant. Elephant and huge animals both are same. So that's why huge animal is a complement over here. The sky is blue. We are using blue word for the sky. So blue is a complement. Next one. I hear the servant complaining. It is ain't over complaining words only. I hear the servant complaining. So it is a complement. The Mahabharata is an epic. The Mahabharata is an epic. So it is a complement. We are using the epic word for the Mahabharata only. Now the next one. We enjoyed the picnic. We enjoyed the picnic. So enjoyed. What we have enjoyed? We have enjoyed the picnic. So picnic is the object over here. The flower gardens look beautiful. So beautiful is a complement. It is an adjective. So it is a complement over here. 8th one. Our school has been closed for the holidays. Our school has been closed for the holidays. So what is this? Our school has been closed for the holidays. So I have written has been closed for the holidays. So it is a complement over here. The master made the timetable. So what the master has made? Master has made the timetable. The timetable is the object over here. My aunt has 2 sons. My aunt has 2 sons. So sons is a complement over here. Okay. After that, your brother seems unhappy. Your brother seems unhappy. Unhappy is an adjective. It is a complement over here. The scenery of Kashmir is beautiful. The scenery of Kashmir is beautiful. So beautiful is a complement over here. Now the 13th one. The car cost them a lot of money. The car cost them a lot of money. So a lot of money is used for car only. So car is a complement. The weather become overcast. Overcast is a complement. The teacher made me pick up the papers. The teacher make him pick up the papers. So it is an object. Paper is an object over here. So I have written the object and the complement according to my choice. You can write the answer, write the statement according to your wish. And you have to write whether they are the object or whether they are the complement. So first of all do exercise 7, then we will discuss exercise 8. Now exercise 8. We will do exercise 8 which is given on page number 8. Exercise 8 given on page number 8. So arrange the jumbled subject part given in brackets and write in a proper order to complete the following sentences. So there are subject is given, but you have to arrange that and then you have to write that. So that tall woman is a good musician. That tall woman is a good musician. His elder brother is a famous doctor. His elder brother is a famous doctor. Next one. That blue-eyed girl is a good singer. That boy in the corner is making a noise. Next, fifth one. Either he or his friend must have opened the door. Next one. Those new dolls talk. Next one. A beautiful watch was given to him on his birthday. Next one. The red flowers in my garden are pretty. Next one. You as well as he is tired of his work. Those naughty boys quarrel. So I arrange the subject in a proper order to frame the sentence. This is exercise B. Kindly match the answer from your answer. If there is a change, kindly make the changes over there. After this, we will discuss exercise 9. Now exercise 9 given on page number 8. Exercise 9 given on page number 8. In this exercise you have to rearrange the predicate. In first exercise we have arranged the subject. Now in this exercise we have to rearrange the predicate. Predicates are there in the bracket, so you have to arrange that. Life is not a bed of roses. Life is not a bed of roses. A clever fox was standing under the tree. A clever fox was standing under the tree. My friend has invited me to dinner. My friend has invited me to dinner. Fourth one. We should not laugh at others. We should not laugh at others. Fifth one. My father is the principal of this college. My father is the principal of this college. Sixth one. You did your duty well. You did your duty well. Seventh one. You seems to be ill. You seems to be ill. Eighth one. We started our journey on Friday. We started our journey on Friday. Ninth one. The teacher found the monitor absent. The teacher found the monitor absent. 10th one. You should do your homework regularly. You should do your homework regularly. Okay. So now you can do this. First of all, make changes in the 9th one. The 9th one is the teacher lined up the student. The teacher lined up the students. The teacher lined up the students. Okay, make changes over here in the 9th one. The teachers lined up the students. Okay, so this is exercise 9. We have completed that, which is given on page number 8. So we have completed our chapter 1 of our English language book, that is sentences. In this chapter we have read about the kind of sentences, about the object and the complement, and we have done the exercises. So complete your work in your book. If you are having any doubt, you can go to the student app and you can raise your doubt from there. So I hope that you will complete your work on time. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Copy all the answers from the blackboard.